you got the perfect vessel for your keto hot dogs. I'm going to show you how to make keto buns out of your keto bread. You're going to take a slice, take a sharp knife, and you're just going to follow half of it down the middle. Now be careful now. You don't want to cut the other side, just very slightly down the middle, just like that. Now we're going to put this in the toaster as well. It's going to toast on both sides. However, the inside is not going to be toasted at all. So it's going to be very pliable. It's going to come out like this on one side. So what you could do is you could bend it. Look at that. So you can see the seam there. You could bend it. And now you have a vessel to put a hot dog in. Just like that. You could even make tacos with these. I mean, look at that. And it's not going to break. See, it's pliable. And look at that.